Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to Kiwoon Learning, and today, once again, we'll be going over the large indexes like the S&P 500 as well as NASDAQ through their ETFs like SPY and QQQ. Today, we've had a pretty basically non-substantial move to either side. We are really only down a tick, a quarter percentage point to the downside on the S&P 500 over the weekend. Once again, today's trading and as always, a lot of the trading will be based on just educational mindset and kind of going through how I'm personally trading and kind of what I'm looking for when I am trading. Today it is looking like we are going to be moving slightly down just at open. However, we are expected to be bouncing this week. Powell is also expected to be talking to us this week as well, so something to kind of just think about as well. Just thinking how we might be choppy and how we might make this move up by the end of the week. Really setting us up for the end of the year and getting kind of continuation move to the downside here. But yeah, other than that, so we do have SPY coming in roughly 13 minutes before open at like 366.95, 367 about. And again, the reason why the futures are falling just ever so slightly is once again a British pound hitting record low against the dollar. U.S. equity futures fell Monday. The Federal Reserve aggressive hiking campaign, coupled with U.S. tax cuts, the euro hit the lowest versus dollar since 2002. And such US dollar strength has historically led to some kind of financial or economic crisis. So once again, when you think about having a strong dollar, while in theory this is a great thing, uh, it's not something that you actually want, just because as a US citizen and as a person of who wants to see the US economy do well, something that a lot of people miss out on is the fact that when you have a strong dollar, a lot of the times other countries aren't going to want to buy from you. And so when this starts to happen, a lot of the times other countries will see this and they will almost create US as like a certain target in terms of not wanting to trade with them. And so when countries tend to do this, US tends to have less economic, just actual trading between, and overall this really affects them, right? And so right now it's kind of just talking about how the bonds yields kind of soared after the Fed enacted another hike rate of 75 points, and the 2 and 10-year Treasury hit highs not seen in over a decade. So rates were surging once again on Monday, with 2-year Treasury dropping or topping to 4.29%. And then in terms of just what we're kind of seeing on not only just a macro side, but just seeing an overall American economy, it says that 2 in 5 Americans say inflation will change their holiday shopping habits this year. And they talk about like how to save money, but the main thing is the beginning of this article where they talk about how shoppers are now rethinking different strategies, and almost 40% of the survey respondents saying that they're going to change. Even just grocery items up 13.5% over the past year alone, and price of apparel up 5.5%. Kind of with this in mind, it makes more sense that 84% of holiday shoppers said that they would try to save more money this year, and 40% saying that they're definitely going to be buying less items. Right, so just thinking about, once again, we're going to be having a lot less money enter the overall economy, which is going to ultimately affect how we're going to be moving, whether it's in the markets or whether it's just how we decide to move overall, right? So just thinking about that as we head into open here and as we head for the rest of the year is just that if we're not currently in a recession right now, then what exactly are we doing, right? We're in basically just lows that haven't seen since a recession, and we just we even changed the definition of recession um, while we were potentially in one, right? So once again, just be careful with how you are spending your money, how you are using your money, and make sure you are preferably budgeting will go a long way, especially in a time like now. Um, but yeah, that's basically all I have in terms of macro like slash large news. Other than that, we're just gonna get into just a few different stocks right now, kind of just going over what's happening just in the overall markets this week. So one of the big things here is that we do have something with Tesla. So Tesla is turning out to be basically the straw that broke the camel's back. Like I've been saying for weeks, if Tesla falls, the market will make its way to move to new lows. That's basically exactly what's happening right now. Tesla and Apple continue to downtrend. The market will overall continue to downtrend. Right, Nvidia, we're also seeing turning into quite a dead stock, making a new 52-week low every week for the last month. I have no major support on Nvidia until 100, which is psychological support, with minor levels in between. At this point, I expect Nvidia to either make a dead cat bounce or continue to downtrend until 100, which once again is a long ways down for them. Either way, we are going to have some violent moves across the market, including Nvidia. And then for Apple, honestly, probably my favorite stock to watch for this week. Just hovering on this $150 support level. Friday we saw false breaks over and under 150 several times and almost retesting immediately. If we do get a strong break under 150 backed by some volume, we can easily see 148.50 right away, continue to 145 to 142.5. And then with Amazon, it's currently at pre-code support and post-fit lows. A break of 112.54 will send us to 110 and $100 per share shortly after. No question about it. But yeah, that's really just the main stuff kind of going on right now. Twitter is set to reinstate Donald Trump's Twitter account very soon, actually. So something to think about as well coming in there. But yeah, we do have roughly another 7 minutes or so until market opens. Yeah, hope you guys had a great weekend so far. This week should be a pretty interesting week of trading. I will not lie, but it's gonna be quite volatile. Premiums will be juiced again. Once again, Powell is talking twice, so something to kind of think about when you are trading today, or for the rest of the week, basically. So yeah. How's Tesla moving? Yeah, Tesla trying to retest the pre-market high right now, most likely, or before open, or at open. I'm seeing like peak buying right now though, so maybe quick shorts at the beginning. Are kind of the thoughts. Yeah, once again, just Tesla's continuation right here. It's very dangerous. Same thing with Apple. What kind of looks like we're gonna get shorts right off the bat. Again, another 5 minutes till, but it does look like we'll try to move down as soon as market opens. tired though. Roughly 31 minutes to open here until the show starts. Until the show starts. Yeah, pretty quick selling here right before open. Once again, minute 20 till market open, till the show starts. Oh my goodness. Alrighty, 30 seconds to market open here. We shall see which way we're moving. We shall see. And there it is. There is open here. Swinging puts over the weekend, I will get triggered out of them as we move just a little bit higher here. Looks like it probably will get filled out, and there it goes. Once again, very, very successful trade on that one. We entered that trade at 6.73, exit at 9.35, roughly 440% gain. But yeah, move up this morning is pretty expected though, so not terribly surprised I got kicked out of that one. Might be a bait open though. Here's a move to try to break pre-market open, or pre-market here. This is S&P and Nasdaq trying to make everything look green right now. This is the quick pull down though. Let's see if tree is getting on. Oh my goodness. My ankle is so fucked right now. Nasdaq trying to turn green here. S&P is still down quarter percentage point. Taking calls here probably is not the absolute worst idea on this break on day's highs. Or pre-market high, I mean. Once again, taking calls as soon as we take that break. Again, it could be very volatile, but it's not the most terrible thing. We do have a decent amount of call flow coming in here, especially on MDB. $220 call coming in for flow. It's like a little pushback on the 1 minute. Overall trend is that we continue to move higher though. Pretty good volume coming out from the open, as well as to the buy side. So I like it. We just need a continuation here, or just like a pausing candle. Kind of did get that on the previous one of that close, but not like the most terrible by any means. And this is probably where you want to enter calls here. It's trying to fight. We're getting decreasing buying though. It's probably pulling back here. Weird movement coming out from MDB. SPY definitely trying to make a move higher here though. Completely reverting on that candle. However, still decreasing buying, which is just Still not what you necessarily want to see. Yeah, MDB moving very, very slow. But I think it's still trying to grind to the upside. SPY kind of doing the same thing here. Slow grind to the upside is what the theory is. There we go. Again, taking calls on that break there. You get big candle break. Again, while you do get retest, that is kind of, you know, not necessarily known, but kind of almost making sense that we are going to get some type of retest there. We're getting call flow as well. Still getting decreasing volume though, that's the only thing that's worrying me. Increasing volume though. Yeah, decreasing volume, increasing volume is not necessarily what you want to see as bulls that like are trying to focus upside. Because buying is starting to pull back just a little bit now. Also Tesla flow coming in here. We have 285 weekly calls. Once again, we're trying to see this pull up here. 4 calls to move to the upside here. Kind of weak volume here though. Is the only problem. Yeah. Just by trying to squeeze here, I'll probably get calls off the 9 here. Alright, SVX 3755 calls. 2.45. So I got the entry. Nice, that's the 9 bounce, hopefully. Again, trying to move this to the upside. Nice. Contract's already at 2.7 here. I will scale out 1. Starting to scale out here. Contract's now currently at 2.5, but we're continuing to move to the upside, which I like. Yeah, SPX over 3700, we should have a pretty good move up. Nice, this is the break of day's highs here. Tree?
Hello. Sorry, I'm a bit late.
No, you're good.
Oh, do I drink too much again? I only slept for like 3 hours.
Oh my lord, why?
Oh, I'm like at 3. Are we rallying? Why is everything so freaking green on my watch list?
Yeah, we are relatively green. I will not lie.
I want calls.
I want calls too. I was kind of just waiting for a slight pullback. Calls off the 21 maybe. Ooh, 5 minute we're getting sell signals though.
Ooh. Sell?
Like shorts. But everything's pointing to the upside here though.
What are the actual lows? 365, right? Or something? No,
Local lows are
362.
363.
Yeah.
Yeah, 363.30 is like local lows. Pre-market lows sitting at like 364.80. I mean, buying's definitely starting to fall off though, I will tell you that much. I mean, I like calls here too though. I mean, in theory, right? Cause get that move up. That's especially that this week is supposed to be a pretty green week. Because we're looking for a bounce here to kind of move lower to the end of the year. Also, I think Powell's talking like twice this week or something.
And dude, that guy needs to stop talking.
Yeah, that's real. And we have Google call flow coming in as well.
I might pick up a spy call.
Yeah.
Dude, what is this IV though?
Yeah, everything's gonna be juiced. Actually, everything is going to be juiced.
Ooh, I don't know, it's not bouncing.
I know, we didn't bounce off of pre-market high. Yeah, we're sliding right through it.
A better opportunity? Just kidding.
This is like catching a falling knife. Way increased buying or selling volume. We would have to revert all the way back above 367.46 at the top of this candle. At the end of this candle, I mean. Also, Trey, I like completely fucked up my ankle. It's not good.
Ow.
I was playing basketball and then I kind of like rolled it on Friday.
Oh
And then,
no.
yeah. And then yesterday, I was playing. I should have just chilled out, but I was playing some volleyball and I didn't even roll or anything, but I was just using it probably a little too much, and now I'm like barely able to walk.
Oh no.
Yeah. Just a little bit painful. Also, this is why you don't fade the algo. Oh well.
Oh dude. I am definitely still drunk.
What? Why do you say that?
Cause I could feel it, dude. Oh dude, I drank too much. Oh my goodness.
Bro, how much do you drink? Oh my goodness.
I don't know. It goes by soju bottles. 4 last night.
4? Oh my lord. Tree, no
Yep,
one's forcing you to do it.
Well, what the Koreans do. Just kidding.
Oh my goodness.
Ooh, is this the bounce up?
Potentially.
I'll pick up a call just to see. Because if this candle ends like this, I don't think it's too bad.
Probably not. It's, you just be trying to snipe a bottom though.
SPX. What the f?
What? Oh
Actually,
my
the SPX
lord.
is pretty high too.
Yeah.
Should I wait or should I buy now?
Oh, you didn't buy back when we crossed over the.
No, I was turning on my phone. Dude, I'm so slow.
Yeah, we're getting increasing volume. Increasing volume as well.
Ooh, should I get SPX or freaking just SPY?
I mean, just because of how volatile we're supposed to be, I would just get SPY. But that's up to you.
Yeah, I'll get SPY.
I'm actually so sad though. I have a presentation today too. And I don't know how. I don't know how I'm going to get there. Finding support off the 9 and 21. Spot is.
Okay, go down a little so I can get filled. Ooh, I'm up 4% already? 5? Oh my gosh. What? It's just SPY.
Makes sense.
Alright. To the moon, baby. To the moon. And it just tanks.
It's like trade. It's like, oh, you're in the market. Oh, never mind then. We will go down.
Ooh, what are the odds?
Oh,
Ooh, this would be a lower low. Lower high. If it continues down.
did Tesla just like run up or something? Like at the morning? Oh, it has. Oh, it's going fast. I'm getting short signals here though on top for Tesla. I was wondering why cons move so fast. The spot doesn't look terrible though. Ooh, come on, Spy.
There's so. No.
If we get a solid move like above here, I'll just set stops right here. Yeah, we need this body of mechanicals above.
Yeah.
Huh? Bro, what was that? Why the end of that candle move so quick? What the heck? I haven't broken the 9 yet.
mean, I'm up 10%.
It's not bad. I mean, I still like if we get SVX like over 3700 and SPY we're like 69 something, like in theory. I mean, the
Yeah.
continuation move is like really big. So I would set your stop like 368.30. Like if we can get close above it, like right where we're at right now, like that should be wherever your stop is, and just keep that really close.
Yeah. I want
Because
to see a boom boom candle.
yeah, I want to see this close above. Okay, there's a close above.
Wait, but I bought it so close. What if it goes in the money?
What'd you buy it?
I bought the
369?
371.
But it probably doesn't expire today though, right?
No, I got 0 DT.
Oh, what the fuck? Okay. Um, I don't know. That's what I was just saying. Just set your stop and forget about it. Just let it run out,
I'm
basically.
at 12, 13%. Oh. No, I'll give it a second.
Bless you. Buying almost looks like it's peaking here. That's not good. Come on. Get the close above 55. It's like a friggin' turtle, bro. So slow. Come on. Bang.
Nice.
Okay. We get the close and it's like, nope. Yeah. 368.30 should definitely be your stop. Any like less aggressive than that? I don't know. I mean, I guess the 9 could be your stop, but there's the
Stop was
9, I guess.
10%. I am out.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, that was a good trade. Pretty solid. Oh yeah, I finally sold my long dated put this morning, or like at open.
How much?
It was like 48% off of like 650 position, or 670 position. Sorry. So very solid.
I want another call now. Okay, no, I'll chill. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. 5 minutes is so green.
Payment is very green, but we're definitely getting a lot of wick backs though. Also, you see the 9 to 5 trades? 2 for 2 now. Not too
Yeah.
bad. I think, yeah, the Nvidia play peaked at, oh, this is close to like 80% gain, and then ARC was just insane.
How much was ARC?
ARC, I mean, we sold a lot earlier, but like we got inputs at like 42.7. Friday's
Yeah.
lows were 37.10.
Jesus.
I think contracts went like over 200%, even though their IV is like at 100 something plus. So, yeah, that one went kind of crazy. Again, I was just locking in 20% profits on both those, because those are little bigger positions. But, yeah. Those went kind of crazy.
Damn, I should have bought QQQ today. Holy crap.
Oh, yeah.
That moved a lot better.
Nasdaq's been moving quick. What is this? Is over a full percentage move intraday, right?
Yeah.
QQQ is moving. Oh wow. Theta is just, I don't know if it's theta or just recrush or whatever it is, but yeah, on these pull downs, contracts are losing a lot of value.
These YOLO QQQ calls. Hold it.
I mean, if we can sustain this, I actually like both QQ and SPY, but yeah.
Damn, look at that candle.
Yeah, 5 minute just looks like we're tearing up on QQQ.
Dude, QQQ is going crazy. Ah, dude, what do I do?
Increasing volume as well on QQQ. Buying and selling is very even though on QQQ though, which is interesting. At least on the 1 minute, 5 minute we're looking okay. We still had peak buying as soon as we open.
Picked up one QQQ call.
Yeah, I mean if you're buying off momentum, I'll probably let this run all the way up to like 280, 285, 280.5. This has room to run.
Yeah. I'm up 20%.
Huh? What?
On QQQ.
What the heck?
I bought it kind of early, but dude, these contracts are moving so fast.
Yeah,
Like,
they must be. I mean, we're getting a lot of Tesla flow as well. What the heck? That's what I was saying earlier, like, whoa. I was so surprised why Tesla contract moved so quick this morning. Interesting, to say the least.
just to see where it goes. Oh, it's back at 14%.
Bro, I actually don't know how I'm gonna be able to do anything today. My foot hurts so bad. Also, the class I have a presentation and is literally the opposite side of campus. So, might need to try out one of those scooters for the first time. Oh, wow. And bulls are trying to hold this candle in the 5 minute with increasing volume, but ooh, I have Tesla. Oh my goodness.
Dude, 280.
Yeah.
It's just like holding this 9.
Yes, yes it is. Oh, 9 is officially over 280 now too. Not surprised we're getting Tesla foe. Tesla just like moving, chopping, but still looking pretty strong though. Damn, QQ's just not moving. Bro, Spy and QQ are just like chilling with each other, just not doing anything. Tesla on the other hand just keep going up. Damn, we actually just peaked at like 280, 160 right there. Tesla's a moving. I mean, Tesla and Apple have been basically precursors for everything, so. How's Apple doing? Yeah, Apple's tearing up too. Yeah, calls still look pretty solid. It's just the small caps that are holding us down right now. Whoa, that was a lot of volume on the 5 minute. On the previous one, what the heck?
Ooh. We top out here.
I mean, if Tesla and Apple wasn't so strong, I'd say maybe, but Tesla's still making new highs.
Go QQQ. You can do it. Dude, I haven't bought a QQQ contract in so long.
I know, right? I've been basically only focusing in on SPY and SPX. It has been some time.
Bollinger is getting really tight though.
Yeah. Yes, it is. I mean, once again, like, Tesla's just saying, I don't care. Tesla finally breaking through 9 there. QQQ is just moving up with his 21. Alright, main idea for SPY/SPX in the short term. The local motto may be in if this is not an impulse, but as far as I see it, we should have one more leg down before a stronger count trend move. 38-37 is local impulse invalidation. Wave 5 puts targets at like 3,500. Whoa. Yeah, that's crazy. That's just crazy. Tree, this has to be one of the slowest moves by QQ all time.
Oh my goodness. Are you going to go?
That is the question. SPY looks even worse, to be fair, though. Spessa? No, Tesla. Tesla's starting to consolidate here, too.
What? Nah, just kidding. Buy looks like it wants to go down.
SPY? I mean, yeah, Tesla
Yeah.
finally broke the 9 here. Oh wow, what in the world?
What?
No, I was just saying, like, SPY is just dying while, like, Tesla Apple just, like, I mean, they're not doing great, but they didn't pull back as much as that. What in the world? Whoa. This is interesting. Okay, so S&P 500 2022 price targets with 4 months to go. Wall Street's brightest minds are split on S&P 500 will end this year, so BMO, JP Morgan, Understrat all have targets for the S&P 500, so for SPY to hit like 480 by the end of the year.
What?
Then we have like Barclays, Stifel, Wells Fargo, Citi,
Wait, end of year?
end of the year. We have their targets between 4,200 and 4,500. And then we have UBS, so I'm talking about SPX, so it's like 420 and 450. That's their range. UBS and Morgan Stanley have their range at 390 to 4,000. And the ones that have it under what SPY is currently at, which is 340 to 360, Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, and one more that I can't read. But that is interesting though.
You trying to throw us off?
I mean, all the banks are completely spread right now on where we're gonna end by the end of the year.
That means no one knows.
It really does. So yeah,
Well,
SPY just bounced.
I'm a fucking crazy guy because I held my QQQ. So
It's
it's
not
back
that.
at 7%.
Oh my god.
But
No, it's just like it's just so slow right now.
yeah, I'm waiting for it to break this like top.
Yeah.
Well, I'm back at 10%.
Yeah, I mean, until we get closer, we're like
Yeah, I
369 on
guess
SPY.
I only got like one contract. That's why.
Yeah,
I don't really
that's
care.
fair. Should
Alright,
probably
baby.
transfer
Moon
some.
time.
Yeah, maybe. Should
Moon
probably
time.
transfer some money out of my big account.
Really? It's not gonna break this top now? After those 3 green candles? I just sell 20%. No. No, this is the move I was waiting for.
If you get
Oh,
it closed over 279.
Okay, I'm at 24, 26%. And now I should start moving my stop rate. 30%?
Start moving it up.
Yeah, I'm gonna sell. This is getting scary. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna sell now. This is like 40%. Okay, I'm out. Woo! Dude, yeah.
There you go.
I feel like this is way better than SPX. Or at least like, if IV sent me this high.
Yeah, probably.
Oh my gosh, it's at 50%. No, not 50. 40 something.
Yeah, I mean, if you get the close like this, we're definitely moving in terms of continuation.
I already sold though.
No, I'm just saying. No, I know that.
And now it's 50%. Holy fuck. Why did I hold, Caleb?
Someone's locking
371.
green.
371's coming.
Yeah, it's definitely close you want to see in the 1 minute. I mean, 5 minute, we still need to get the close above 279.06. We get that. I think bulls will be able to hold this. Pullback may just be part of the pausing candle.
Do you make any trades yet?
Yeah. Well, I mean, I closed out my one trade, which is kind of the big thing. And then I hit SVX once, and that went like 15%, and I just sold. So nothing too crazy.
If I spy off this red candle.
Maybe. I just wouldn't touch SVX right now. It looks like we're decaying really, really quick.
No, I don't think I'm gonna trade SPX
Yeah.
until it's back to like 30% ID.
Yeah, that is smart. How's the 5 minute looking? Looking pretty solid.
I don't know. I feel like we're gonna hit 371.
Oh, yeah, on SPY.
Dude, I sold a little too early. It's fine.
Yeah, I mean, it's fine. It's just
I
waiting
think
for
I'm playing
that
with
close.
40%, right?
No, definitely not. And that's just like a position where like you just have multiple contracts and you just scale out as you move out.
Yeah, I only bought one though.
Yeah,
That's why.
that is fair. What was that sound?
My nose. That sound?
Oh, no, sorry. I just got a message and I was like, I had no clue where it was coming from. QQ got the close and wanted. Maybe.
Dude, I don't think I bought calls in like 3 days so far. Like I haven't bought any calls until today.
Damn. That is what we call patience.
Or did I? No, I don't know. I think I've just been buying puts.
I mean, yeah, we've been straight red, so. Oh, that's why people love Tesla calls right now. We have AI day later this week on Friday. For Tesla. I was wondering why we're getting so much flow for October 7th. Like, usually when we get flow, it's not just like a week out. Or, yeah, okay, fine, 2 weeks. A week and a half, whatever it is. But yeah, Tesla breaking this is like really strong macro sign. I mean, yeah, that was a strong move up. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense actually. Tesla swing?
You know, hit what the rate is going. I don't have any like resistance. Just because I haven't been looking at Tesla.
Yeah, no, that's
But
fair.
it looks like it hit like 290 today.
Yeah. No, I definitely agree with that. I think I might just buy one swing, see how it plays out. Yeah. I think I might want the swing. Hmm. Man, why does the 15-minute show that you're going short on Tesla now? Why you gotta do that? Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum.
Ooh. Ooh.
What?
I might get another call. I might get another call right now. Nah, not yet.
Tesla going to retest days highs here. Ooh, kinda quick rejection, but we do have increasing volume heading up to this though. Increasing volume into day's break. Ooh, wow. But quick sell off. does volume need to fall off a cliff like that? Right after we get the break too. A minute, 2.5 minutes. Are you in anything right now?
No, I'm waiting.
Yeah, that's fair.
I'm waiting for it to retest previous highs, but if it doesn't bounce, or like if it breaks these highs, I was probably gonna buy calls.
Yeah, probably agree with that. This is a 9 touch for Tesla.
Dude, that's a lot of selling on this candle.
Yeah, that is a lot of selling. Oof. And there she goes. Tesla breaking under the 9.
Oh.
Alrighty, I'm withdrawing another 200 from the account, I guess. I think I netted 400 on the put, so should take out about
Nice.
half.
Or just don't take it out until you have $1 million.
Tree, unfortunately, as I was telling you on Friday or Thursday, I've been spending money, so
Oh.
for the first time in my life. No, definitely not the first time in my life, but I don't know. That was actually so bad though, cause like even when I was, oh, even when I was like making like, or not making, but even when I had like decent amount of money, you know, um, I just wouldn't spend like anything. So, like everything I was making, whether it was from like my normal work or whether it's from like articles or whatever it was, I was just netting just pure. So, um, but yeah, I think like for like a solid 2 years of high school. Oh wait, what? Well, sorry, 1 second. What would you suggest investing in right now? As of right now, uh, the main thing right now is just that we are probably gonna get a move up like for this rest of the week right now. So if you're talking about like actual investing, which is like holding for at least a few months, if not like a couple of years, um, I currently think that we are just like on a technical side are gonna keep continuing to fall lower till the end of the year. Once again, if that doesn't happen, and we get some type of like actual reversal signal, which we'll probably make a video about actually, the main companies that I am looking to um, kind of re-enter on and kind of create more long positions on are, give me 1 second, I have my long-term port somewhere here. Um, the long positions I'm trying to add on are so probably just want to keep adding on to like HBQ, BABA, VET. These three are, I think, in terms of still value-wise, are still quite solid. If you're talking about just in terms of just very conservative, just types of companies, I still like these three right here. VICI properties of real estate. I still think real estate on like a macroeconomic like kind of term will continue to pull back at least until the very end of the year. So maybe VICI is one that you'd wait for a little bit on. But FNF and FAF are both ones that I made articles on. I think both of these look very, very solid. They both have, I believe, current dividends, and they look very solid for continuation in terms of like the long-term future. Just because financials and discretionary tend to do relatively well in terms of high inflation, and I believe the Fed said something about we aren't gonna hit like 2% or like normal inflation until like 2025 or something. So I think if we do get a like nice pullback towards the end of the year, these two are definitely ones I'm looking to add on. Barclays looks pretty solid as well. But yeah, those are probably the main ones as of right now. O&B is not bad either, Old National Bancorp. This is one I still need to do a little bit more research on. I haven't touched it in a while. But yeah, those are just a few companies that I'm currently looking at in terms of just investing side. Again, I do a lot more actual like trading now. But yeah, those are the main companies if you're in terms of investing and long-term stuff. I'm definitely trying to target at. And of course, VTI, VO, and SPY. Those are just ones you should always be adding on, maybe like once a year. Not really caring about whatever price it is, but just being consistent with that is gonna what's gonna pave the way for your account in the future. Um, but yeah, those are just big ones in terms of investing I'd be looking at. But once again, just be careful. Even if we go relatively green this week, it might just be the setup to move extremely low. We're talking about like another. Let's SPY right now. SPY's at 370. Potential another 10% pullback until the end of the year. If we do get this move up this week. But yeah, no problem.
Picked up a spy call just to see.
SPY calls aren't bad here. I'm getting buy signals as well, actually. On the 1 minute at least.
Yeah, it's previous highs.
Yeah. No, I like that. You have supply and demand zones. Yeah. But yeah, what I was saying before trade was like, I think literally from my sophomore to like senior year, I don't think my wardrobe changed like at all.
That's good. Clothes is wasting money.
That is true, but it kind of went bad to a certain
Dude, I'm
point in
up
time.
10% already. Oh, Now I'm getting scared.
379 should be target, I guess. Alright, 379. 370 should be target.
Yeah.
Supply. Or, I mean, I guess if you're playing supply and demand zones, it'll be down to 369.63. Yeah, 369.63 would be, like, very, like, not aggressive, very conservative out. If you're going aggressive, yeah, 370 would be your touch. We are getting, like, stochastic kind of movement, though, on this. Potential continuation, the move up here. Oh, also, yeah. What was I gonna say? But yeah, I used, like, so little money. But yeah. Honestly, it's not even that I'm spending that much money on, like, clothes and stuff. Because still objectively I'm not. But I'm just spending some money on food, I guess. Which is, like, I guess a good thing to be spending money on.
I mean, you usually eat at school, or
Yeah, I do. It's just like, I mean, you know how it is. Like, when you stay up, like, late at night, like, and you just want food. I don't know. Like, especially on a college campus, it's like everything is, like, basically here. Well, not everything, but, like, a lot of stuff, like, stays up until pretty late. So, just, like, the ease of access in terms of food. I don't know.
I don't want to think about food right now. I'm gonna throw up if I eat.
Oh my goodness. Are you stone colds, by the way?
Yeah, we're
Okay.
at 3% now. I'm waiting for 370 this up, but this is hard. Hard.
Yeah. I mean, we are getting decreasing selling though. Even after those 3 candles. Which is kind of interesting, actually.
I just want to see a crazy bounce. Crazy. And then I'll be done for the day.
Oh, if only it was
But,
that
you know,
easy.
famous last words, am I right?
Unfortunately. Very, 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 very unfortunately. Oh.
Playing with my heart. Playing with my heart. Oh. Oh, I should probably get out. Yeah, I should probably get out.
Yeah. Breaking of local lows there.
Yeah, I got out. Minus 10%.
Alrighty, I'm gonna turn off stream. Bye bye, everyone.